Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. We're back in Louisiana, and over the next few months, we'll be exploring some of the Louisiana state highways. Today, we'll be driving all of LA 928, otherwise known as Bluff Road, lying mostly in the unincorporated community of Prairieville, a suburb of Baton Rouge. Bluff Road runs in a general north-south direction from Perkins Road just east of I-10, south to LA 74 just west of Dutchtown. The entire highway runs just 5.7 miles from start to finish. We almost immediately cross over I-10. If you drive I-10 between New Orleans and Baton Rouge on a regular basis, this is one of the 3 overpasses that crosses I-10 that does not include an interchange. That overpass falling between the Geismar Prairieville exit and the Highland Road exit. The entire route is undivided 2-lane, and all of it is in Ascension Parish. The majority of Bluff Road runs alongside the uninhabited Bluff Swamp, which will be to our right. Bluff Swamp shows up on topographical maps from 1954 and earlier as Rim Swamp. We'll see a 3-mile stretch of road where there's no development to the right, other than a number of houses built right off of Bluff Road itself. On the left are several developed streets and planned subdivisions. According to Zillow, homes off of Bluff Road that have sold in the last few years have fetched prices of anywhere from $300,000 to $1 million, with most of them being on the upper half of that scale. Bluff Road shows up as a paved road on maps as far back as 1949, and prior to 1955 it carried a state highway number of 179. We conclude our video as we reach the southern terminus of LA 928 at a junction with Louisiana Highway 74. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.